Hi, I'm Alex from AD AI Systems. We create AI tools like chatbots, voice agents, and other automations that help your business run faster and more efficiently, so that you can connect with customers quicker and get more work done without the extra hassle. I'll just be giving you a quick overview of everything we have to offer, starting with the way that our voice agents work, just so that you can get a better understanding about them and how they could potentially benefit the way that you run your business day to day. So I've put together a quick voice agent demo to showcase some of its capabilities, which I'll put on the screen in a second. In this case, it's an AI agent that jumps on a call and takes care of all initial call handling. So it retrieves information, things like name, email address, phone number, etc. And it adds it to your CRM automatically. Once it's got all the information, it will send you an email with a notification saying you've got a new lead. And then once that's done, you can jump on it automatically. So super useful in my opinion, but I'll showcase it. I'll show it to you now, and you can see what you think.
Hello, thank you for calling the AD AI Systems Voice Agent Demo. This is Harry, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
Hi Harry, I'm looking to book in a property valuation.
Got it. You're looking to schedule a property valuation. Can I have your first name, please?
It's Alex.
Thank you, Alex. Do you have a preferred date for your property valuation?
Yeah, June 16th would be good.
Great. Perfect. June 16th for the valuation. Are there any additional notes or details you'd like to share about the property?
Yeah, about the meeting, I've got a meeting that day, so if it can be done under 1 hour, that would be good.
Thank you for letting me know, Alex. We'll aim to keep the valuation under 1 hour. Great, I've got everything I need so far. I'll be sending you a message asking for your email address so we can follow up properly. Once we've got that, a member of our team will be in touch as soon as possible.
Awesome, thank you.
Hold on a sec. Your request has been noted and the team will follow up shortly. Have a great day.
Thanks. So after the call, it should send me, so I've got a message here saying, hi Alex, thanks for your call. Just one last thing. Could you please reply to this text with your email address? That way we can, So I'll reply saying my email address, saying alex@gmail.com, for instance. Once I've sent that, it should capture it and send it automatically to the CRM. Thank you for providing your email. A member of our team will be with you as soon as possible. So on your side of things, the details should be added. So alex@gmail.com, phone number, booking type. So all the necessary details are here. And then on your email, you'll receive a notification saying something like this, or it can be customized, saying new lead alert, and then all the information. So honestly, I think it's a super valuable system. I mean, it's saving you so much time and money, especially if you're, for instance, hiring an assistant for like $4,000 a month, which is outrageous when you can have a system like this for like a fraction of the cost. So I think this is great. I think this is like the holy grail of AI. But yeah, that's voice agents, and I'll show you the chatbots now. So on the chatbot side of things, it will look something like this on your website. So you've got a little widget at the bottom right corner, so you can click it to open. All the branding, I've got it tailored to my business at the moment, but once you get your own, it'll be your own, so you get your own branding on it. Hi, welcome to AD Properties, or your own company. How can I help you today? So I've got a few preset buttons which you can click, so property recommendation, book viewing, book valuation, book consultation. Up to you whether you want it or not. Or you can have a custom button that's just its own thing. Otherwise, does the user type something like, what are your operational hours? So it'll retrieve all the knowledge it needs from the knowledge base, which comes from your website. So it scrapes all the information from the website and it puts it in the knowledge base, and then it gets what it needs and it puts it in the chat. So our operational hours are Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 2, Sunday closed. All good. Say the user did want to try some of the buttons or type it in. So book viewing. Great, how can I help you with that? Also, the label at the bottom that says generated by AI. It's up to you whether you want it or not. So you can choose not to have it if you like. So full name, we'll go Bob, why not? bob@gmail.com. Phone number 44 plus 4478 310 306. Why not? Preferred time, so we'll do July 15th at 2 p.m. And I'd like a 2-bedroom apartment. Sure, why not? We'll send it, and it should retrieve all the information and add it to your CRM directly, automatically. So yeah, your viewing has been successfully requested. So you look at your CRM. Yep, so it's got everything here. bob@gmail.com. Everything's in there. Cool. Otherwise, a nifty feature that I added myself, which took a lot of time, is the property recommendation. So you can look at something you're interested in. So I've added stuff related to London. So I'm looking for an apartment in Soho, let's say. It'll retrieve everything from your own database of properties, and it'll present it here. So these are all like made up numbers and everything, of course, and it'll show you like pictures of everything. So I've got it repeating a bit because I don't want to look at all the, I don't want to get pictures for every single apartment I put on there. But yeah, otherwise if maybe they want to look at something else, take me back, and they can type their own another set of preferences, and it does it again. But yeah, pretty nifty, I think. Yeah, that's the chatbot. So I'll move on to discussing the automations, and yeah. So alongside the chatbots and voice agents, we also do automations, which I suppose is the lifeline behind everything. But yeah, it's primarily used to cut down on a lot of your admin tasks, especially if you've got a lot of manual processes, which are sort of adding up and taking a lot of your time. It just smooths everything out, all runs automatically. I'll use the chatbot as an example. Say somebody books like a meeting through there, it can automatically, you've seen it yourself, like right here, for instance, in the CRM, it automatically puts it in, it'll send you a notification, here Bob, and yeah, if you like, book it into your calendar. So it smooths everything out, makes it run smoothly, and yeah, they're very helpful. But I'll give you an example. We recently helped a business that was spending a ton of time like working on their social media. We cut that all down by using their existing database as all the images to go with the posts. And then we use AI to create a post for it that's tied to the image. And then it sends it out to all 4 of their social media channels automatically. So things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, it does it all. So super useful. And the thing with the automations is that if there's any process that is taking you a lot of time, it can be refined. It's not limited to anything. So automations are definitely a thought to have. They're definitely useful. But yeah, that's a quick overview of what we do at ADAI Systems, the chatbots, the voice agents, and the automations. Together, they're all saving you and your customers a ton of time. But yeah, if you think that's something that could help your business, just let me know and we can set up a proper call. All right, thank you very much for watching.